Wisdom is better than strength, especially when used well.
My friends, I hear you're off to a feast in the sky. May I come with you?
But you have no wings, old tortoise. How will you fly?
If each of you gives me one feather, I could make my own wing.
Welcome, my children. The feast is for all of you.
Then this must be my lucky day. For today, my name is all of you. Trick? No, I simply used my mind. Wisdom is better than strength, after all. You tricked us, Tortoise. Trick?
Wait, please! Tell my wife to spread soft things on the ground so I can land safely.